Welcome to Module 1, the history of Jim Crow. I designed this module to be a 2-week course. In this module, I'm asking the students to think as a historian to be able to get clarity on the topic. In Module 1, also, I'm asking them to examine the historical events around the creation of the Jim Crow policies and explore the impact of these policies on Blacks at that time. Also, there's a brief overview of the Jim Crow policies and the background. As the first lesson, it is just for them to watch the digital story so that they can understand the correlation between the Jim Crow laws and the 14th and 15th Amendment. There's an assignment also telling the historical story. In this assignment, they're going to research 2 historical figures who were impacted by the Jim Crow law. And as a resource, there's a video that they can watch so that it is that they can understand how the laws impacted the people's lives and what obstacles were created to prevent them from achieving success in life goals. There also is a live interview where I would be inviting 2 or 3 people who have experienced Jim Crow in some way and using Duke University's Behind the Veil stories of interviewees that experienced Jim Crow, develop questions for their own live interview. Module 2 is the impact of Jim Crow on today's laws. What I'm asking them to do is to assess how Jim Crow policies still impact today's society and to research a contemporary issue that's still impacted by Jim Crow policies and histories. There's a discussion board. In the discussion board, we're going to explore other discriminatory acts such as anti-Semitism. There's a lesson also with a video, and in that video, I'm asking them also to look at events that are occurring today around the issues of discrimination or segregation. There's an assignment also. The assignment is for them to research a topic that demonstrates the impact of Jim Crow on today's society. What I'm asking them to do is develop a 5 to 8 page paper describing an issue in detail, and asking them also to use at least 2 credible sources. And I'm providing them with a rubric to make sure that it is that they are assessed on the learning outcomes and MLOs of this module.